Hey guys, what's up? Johnny Strat here. Got an exciting video for you guys today. Tonight, I'm doing a box opening of the new Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Get that centered. Not only that, showing the new COD shirt tonight that I got. Gonna open it, show you guys what's in it, all the fun goodies, and without further ado, let's go. First and foremost, just like all the others, it has a two-part. You've got the game, and you've got all the content. DLC, Nuketown. I'm assuming a guide of some sort, but let's see. Was wrong. It's actually some cards that show some of the characters as well as info. So pretty cool here. Show you some of them. Not gonna bother showing all of them. Way too many. Would make this video way too long right now. And it's way too late for this right now for that. Alright, and without further ado, the Hardened edition comes in this as opposed to the regular case. It's the nice metal tin. You got normal COD soldier on there. Then you got the zombies theme. Inside, just the basic. Got your game and the safety. And that's all. Real excited. Didn't get a chance to put it in. Played it while waiting for it to be released. Went to the GameStop's midnight release here in Massachusetts. It is now 12:30 a.m. on Friday, November 6th. Was pretty excited. One of the first few people there to get it. Now, I'm going to say peace out. And hopefully I'll see you guys out on the field.